This assessment asks us to which atom we would expect H+ to add in the molecule formaldehyde. Now, one of the rules of organic chemistry that we follow is that negatives attack positives, and we see that the hydrogen has a +1 charge. It is a proton. And so when we look at formaldehyde, redrawn here, what we're really asking ourselves is, where is the negative charge? We know H+ is positive. Where is the negative charge in formaldehyde? For that, we need to use the concept of resonance, which tells us that this pushable pair of electrons can be moved onto the electronegative oxygen to make another structure that contributes to the resonance hybrid. When we consider this new structure, now it becomes clear that H+ is going to react most likely with oxygen. We can show that interaction by showing this pair of electrons being donated to H+. Using resonance, identified a structure that makes it more clear what reaction is happening next.